Hello, welcome back to Gloria's Brasia Kitchen. I just share Mami Mobi Biara Aquava. Today we're making special tomato stew. So in here you can see that I have different vegetables and fresh spices. Yes, all the spices, all the fresh spices that my hand can reach on. They are all in my pan here. Look. So what I'm doing is I'm sauteing it now. Put it aside. Now in this small pan I have onions with coconut oil. This is tomato paste. I'm adding tomatoes, crushed tomatoes. So I'm gonna let this cook or fry it for a while. Yeah, so this is it. And this is my tomatoes, the seeds and the juice and the tomatoes that I'm going to use, fresh tomatoes. So I'm getting my juice, not letting it go. So here is the veggies with the fresh spices and my fresh tomatoes, and that's this tomato paste. So I'm sauteing this, bring it to a cook or fried. That's a quick one, so it's worth sauteing. Now it's ready. You can tell that the skin is coming out of the tomatoes. Yes. Blend it, and now I'm cooking that one separate. Okay, so now you can see that it's thickened up. I have some shrimps here. Now I'm blending everything. And then in my pan here I have my onions with a little bit of oil, that's coconut oil. This is curry powder and rosemary. And see, a curry powder, rosemary, and a jenny. So now I added my tomato paste that I was cooking in that small pan to my onions. Now look at my, ooh, looks so rich. Yeah, nutritious. I added my blended spices and veggies and shrimps. Yes. Ooh, look at that. The stew is fire. And you see the way it's so thick. Finish. The stew is done. I enjoyed it with some fried yams. Thanks for watching.